Welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowledge Base once again. As I always give you knowledge through my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, share, and like it in any way that you'd wish. I'm always here to give you knowledge, and this knowledge is to improve your lives. This knowledge is to make you a better human being. In this case, I'm going to show you how to promote AliExpress products. And did you know that in AliExpress products, you can be able to make some good thousands of dollars for you? I know so many people are looking for jobs, so many people are looking for what to do, so many people are tired of being employed, so many people are tired of being under a boss. And in this case, I want to show you how easy you can promote all these products. You can easily promote these products with much more ease, and this takes up for each and every person that can do this kind of business. And did you know that this is very cheap and affordable, depending on where you are, which country you're in? These products are amazing and very good to go. So just to dive in so much, AliExpress has got so many products. Okay, you can click here and put jewelry. You can look for jewelry for women. You can go, let's say, you can say categories: beauty and health products are all here. You can promote beauty and health products. They are all here. You can look at all the beauty and health products that are all included right here. Okay, if you go in into another category, I'm taking you through category that you can promote: jewelry, watches, and the rest. They're all here, guys. All these products people are buying each and every day. So in each and every day, you can have these products perfect. And I am sure that someone out there would be interested in these products. Then you go back and look at the furniture. Let's talk about furniture. Maybe you want furniture yourself, or you know that so many people are looking for these kinds of furniture and these categories of products. All these products, guys, you can make money out of this. You can always find out how cheap or how best somebody can buy them again. So yes, we can go to toys. So many people also choose toys. You well know that so many people are interested in toys for their children. All these toys you can see, someone can easily make toys or find toys for their children. So these guys, before I take you to how do you become an affiliate, I would want to show you something when you're shopping. If you're a shopper or an affiliate, you also would want to know how to shop here. So when I go to these products, when I come into this product, let's say this beauty and health, and I click on this product, when I click on this product, I am able to see really this product, if it really is either free shipping or it has some shipping money that is attached there. But however, I would want to tell you that whenever you come back here, just click here. Whenever you're going to do your search product, make sure that you do your search and search for products that have free shipping that are always right here. So search products that have free shipping and you'll be good to go. So let's go down. Let's go down and to see how do we become affiliates. How do we become affiliates? We are going down, we are going down, we are going down to the last page. Okay, we're going down to the last page. On the last page here, you'd be able to see customer service, you do shopping with us, and then collaborate with us. Under collaborate with us is where we see partnerships and affiliate program. Click on the affiliate program. Let's see what happens. On the affiliate program is where you will find all this now information. So the affiliate program will take you through here. AliExpress has over 150 million products as of 2022, and all these products are affiliated products. Then they have up to 9% best commission rate, but up to 90% for hot products. Guys, up to 90% for all hot products. Then we have 200 and plus supported countries and regions, which means all your countries globally are all included in the affiliate program of these products. So you go down here, you can boost your income very easily, you can earn commission and then increased earnings for your eligible publishers, which are 4% extra commission to the promotions that surpass targets in our incentive products. Increased earnings for eligible publishers. So earn up to 4%. as well. So let's go down, let's dive in. Wealth and promo ideas and activities. We have a system to help new affiliate publishers grow. Then there is an easy to use. It is easy to use. We have useful reports, powerful developer tools. Okay. When you come down here and say timely follow-ups on my feedback, you're always here. If in case anything, you can easily write to them and they will reply to your email. Okay. Promote and earn in 4 steps. Choose the product and get tracking links. Promote products in channels. Bring more traffic and orders to AliExpress. Get commission from shoppers and orders. So this is how you can easily become a very great partner. And guys, I will tell you, AliExpress is so amazing, and you'll be definitely getting to earn a lot. And look at the AliExpress affiliate partners and channels, they're all indicated here. So what we do, we have what we call join. So when you click on join, it's going to open the dashboard of joining. Of course, when you go to join here, they will tell you to get in either with your Facebook account, Twitter, or you can log in with your Google account as well. So when you click your Google account, which will definitely connect with you with your Google account. Let's see what happens. And of course, now when you get in here, you're going to put in your Google account. Okay, get in your Google account right here. And after getting in your Google account, let me put in my Google account. And then here we'll see how we can easily log in. Of course, now what you need to do in this case, you're able to log in because this is security. I will not be able to log in with my details here, but I would want to show you how it is done. So when you get that link, get into log in with your Google. Then after getting your Google, you're going to get a dashboard where you're going to be shown on what you're supposed to do. Meanwhile, let me take you to my dashboard that I registered for security reasons. Unfortunately, I'm not able to open up that. So let me take you to how the dashboard looks. Let me take you how the dashboard looks. Now, when we get here, the dashboard, you'll get to this dashboard, okay? This is the dashboard of the affiliate portals or the affiliate programs. This is my dashboard. This is the dashboard I create. This is the dashboard I've created for purposes of your trading. So after going through your process, you'll be asked, remember, you have to be approved for what you need. You need to have a social media account that is running. You need to have a website. You need to have a platform. So you put in all. It is very simple, guys. Go in and register, and then you will land into this. When you land onto this, you'll be able to see this dashboard. This dashboard, when it comes up here, this is where we say withdraw money when you have your money, and this is where you'll be checking your money whenever it comes in. So let's go into the quick access. How do you get the affiliate links? This is what is important for me, and that's why I show you. Click here, link, generate affiliate link. When you come in here, they will say that generate affiliate link. So when you go to a pin, for example, you'll go to AliExpress. Let me go back here. I'll go to AliExpress products. Let's say this product is here. I'll click on this product. I will click Control All, Control Copy. I'll get my link. I'll put it here, pages link. I'll say Control V. I have dropped my link here. So I'm trying to generate my affiliate link. Now you get the whole link of the product. Then you come here and say get tracking link. Tracking links means the affiliate link. Wonderful. In this case, I have already got my affiliate link, which is right here. So when I get my affiliate link, I am able to copy this affiliate link, successfully copied, and then I'll find out. I'll go to my Facebook. I'll go to, let me see, I'll go to my Facebook, and I'll post it anywhere. So you get this affiliate link, put it in your website, put it in your Pinterest, put it in your Facebook, and put it wherever you would want to promote your products. So let's say maybe, let me try to go to Facebook, okay? Guys, let's say we're going to Facebook. You get your link very well, and then you post them on under your Facebook page. So thank you so much, guys. This is how simple it is. In case you have any challenges, feel free to contact me. Feel free to write to me in my on my comments. I'll see your comment and I will give you the answer there and then. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope you have got the knowledge on how best to become a partner with AliExpress. Thank you so much and have a great day.